Yoga before bedtime works like a miracle. Your kids can do yoga for better sleep. So these yoga poses I'm sharing here will calm them before bedtime and make the transition to sleep easier. Just wear comfortable clothing and keep your feet bare. Just make sure you listen to your body and enjoy this practice. Let's start with sitting cross-legged, sitting long. Inhale your arms over your head, interlace your fingers, give yourself a nice stretch. Exhale your arms back down. Inhale your arms over your head, interlace your fingers, give yourself a nice stretch, breathe in and breathe out your arms back down. Let's do one more time. Inhale, arms over your head, interlace your fingers, breathe in and breathe out. Exhale your arm back down. From here, we're going to get into sitting banana pose. So take your arms up, join your palms together. Lean to your right, breathe out. Breathe in back to the center, breathe out to your left. Whispering to yourself, I am happy. Breathe in, come back to the center, breathe out, release your arms. Now let's take our shoulders up and down. Breathe in, take your shoulders up. And breathe out, shoulders down, releasing tension from your shoulders. Let's do this few more times. Breathe in, take your shoulders up. And breathe out, shoulders down. Let's do this one more time. Breathe in, take your shoulders up. Breathe out, shoulders down. Okay, now gently put your hands on your shoulders and take your elbows back. Breathe in. And breathe out to get your elbows down. Your elbows up, breathe in, back and down, breathe out. One more time, breathe in up and breathe out down. Now let's change the direction. Breathe in up, breathe out down. One more time, breathe in up and breathe out down. So now let's release our neck. Okay, so take your chin to the chest like you're saying yes. Take your chin away from your chest, look up. Now let's continue. Chin to the chest and chin away from your chest. Do one more time. Chin to the chest and chin away from your chest, look up. Now you get your head to neutral position. Let's look to your right, center and to your left. Yeah, like you're saying no. Right, center, left. Center, right, center, left. Okay, now get your head to face the front. Now let's get into butterfly pose. This pose will help you improve flexibility in the hips for a more restful night's sleep. So bend your legs, join your feet together, rest your hands at the top of your toes. Breathe in, lengthen your spine, spine long. And breathe out, you fall forward. Now you're going to stay here for a few seconds, whispering to yourself, I am safe. Okay, stay here for a few seconds. Keep stretching your arms forward for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently take your arms in, breathe in and breathe out to take your arms down. From here, let's get into cat and cow pose. So come on all fours, knees under your hips, wrist under your shoulders, fingers are wide open. Cat and cow pose is really good to stretch the muscles in our back and neck. Breathe in, drop your belly down, chin away from your chest. And breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. Let's continue. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin away from your chest, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, looking towards your belly button. It also helps us to relax the mind, which can help us reduce anxiety. Just breathe in, chin away from your chest, dropping your belly down. Tell yourself, I'm at ease. And breathe out, round your spine, looking towards your belly button, chin to the chest. Okay, now get your spine to neutral position. From here, we're going to get into ladybug pose. So it's like a squat. So you're going to bend your right leg, get your right leg outside your right hand, and bend your left leg, get your left leg outside your left hand. Now you're going to join your arms together, pushing your knees out with your elbows. Stay here for a few seconds, whispering to yourself quietly, I am supported. This is really good in opening the hip flexor for a more comfortable night rest. Okay, slowly come out of the pose and come in rock pose. Okay, so now we are going to do B breath. Okay, so this B breath is very relaxing. So what you have to do for B breath is you have to put your both the thumbs very gently on your ears, okay, and put your fingers on your eyes. And then you're going to breathe in through your nose, breathe out to hum. Two more times, and breathe in through your nose, breathe out to hum. One more time, breathe in through your nose, breathe out to hum. B breath is very relaxing and very calming for the cells of our body. Really good to do it before you sleep. Now gently release your fingers, open your eyes. So from B breath, we are going to come in child pose. From rock pose, you're going to take your hips towards your heels, stretch your arms forward. This is a restorative pose. It stretches the lower back, hips and thighs and calms your nervous system, which helps you to relieve mental and physical tension. Whispering to yourself quietly, I am at rest. Okay, let's stay here for a few seconds. Continue to breathe. Staying here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly take your arms in, and from here we are going to come in the last pose, Vasana, which is just lying on your back and taking slow natural breaths and closing your eyes and just focusing on your breath. Okay, so once your body is relaxed, just focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. If a parent is around, then you can sit and breathe while your child is into night sleep. So keep taking these slow, natural breaths. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. And just continue to breathe. If your mind gets distracted, keep getting your focus back on your breath. And here are some bedtime gratitude for kids that are affirmations for peaceful sleep. Today I did my very best. Now my mind is set to rest. I close my eyes with a beating heart. Tomorrow brings a fresh start. I am loved so wide and deep that in peace I can sleep. My body gave its all today and I know everything will be okay. I send my love to those in need, and with that my mind is freed. I'm grateful for all that I have and realize how fortunate I am. I have the power to conquer my fear and knowing that my mind is clear. With that, I will end the practice here now. I hope, kids, you will get a good restful sleep after this practice. Good night.